Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and verifying it's dead. This prevents dangerous backfeed. Once done, put on insulated gloves and eye protection and use a reliable voltage tester to confirm 0 at the panel. Make sure the manual changeover switch is positioned for installation near both utility and generator feeds. Label each conductor L1, L2, L3, and neutral so you avoid crossover. Tighten preparatory hardware and keep your multimeter and torque wrench on hand for accurate connections. Now mount the changeover switch and route the cables from both the generator and utility into separate conduit entries. This minimizes interference and keeps wiring organized. Strip conductors to the recommended length, then attach utility feed to the utility terminals and generator feed to the generator terminals. Observe phase order. Once connected, torque each terminal to the manufacturer's specification to prevent overheating. Use cable clamps to relieve strain and label the external conduits, so future servicing is straightforward and safe. Finish by restoring utility power and performing a controlled test. First switch to utility position and confirm normal readings, then switch to generator position without load to verify correct voltage and phase rotation. Once confirmed, apply a small load and observe stability. Make sure covers and seals are secure to prevent moisture ingress. If the switch fails to supply power, troubleshoot methodically. Recheck terminal torque, inspect fuses and breakers. Confirm transfer switch wiring and generator output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.